Hi there, Nick with the AZInsight team. In this quick video, we're going to be looking at how to add our sales tax for either state or city so AZInsight can account for it in our fee breakdown when calculating the profit, ROI, and margin. In AZInsight, these extra costs are called custom costs. To set a custom cost, start by clicking on the gear settings icon, then click on calculator settings. Locate and click on the drop-down that says Customize your fixed costs. Then click on the icon next to the word that says Click to open Custom Cost Viewer. A new pop-up will appear. Let's first start by clicking on the plus sign. This will create a new custom cost for us. A pop-up will appear. To start, let's click on the plus sign to add a custom cost. For the first custom cost, under the name column, I will add state tax. The tax amount will be 8. In this case, we want to add the whole number as a percent to our state tax. For my example, I'm going to use 8%, so I enter an 8. Then under the type column, I enter percent sign. Under the multiply by, we have the ability to multiply the sales tax by the sell price, by cost, referral fees, or fulfillment fee. In my case, the sales tax is paid on the product when I buy it, so I will enter in the buy cost. In the next column, we have the ability to choose between adding this custom cost on either the FBA or FBM or both. In my case, I will choose FBA. The next column is the status, which just means if it's on or off. Now I will click the plus sign to add my city tax. For the name, I enter in city tax. And for this example, I'm going to enter in 2% for the city tax. Again, for type, I'm going to choose percent. Then multiply by, I'm going to choose by cost and apply to FBA. Then I click on the save button to apply the changes. To see the changes, let's go back into the calculator. Once we're in the calculator, let's go ahead and enter in a buy cost for our product. For this example, I'm going to enter in $5. Now, hover the mouse over the information icon next to profit to see the fee breakdown. Here we can see our state sales tax, which was 8% of $5, which is 40 cents, and our city sales tax, which was 2% of $5, which is 10 cents. This is deducted in our fee breakdown so we have a better estimated profit. And that about covers it for this video. If you have any questions, reach out to a customer champion at support.azinsight.com.